Right, yeah. I'm here with Alan.
Right.
Off on another adventure. Just a local camp, this one. Gonna have some campfire food, a couple of beers, bit of laughing, happy days. So as always, come along, enjoy the journey. Well, peoples, welcome back to the channel. I'm out with Alan, as we said. We just come up to the Smithills campsite, the little local one that I come to, mainly to do a bit of campfire cooking. Going to do some barbecue chicken and chorizo and potatoes, roast potatoes, beautiful. So we're just going to get set up, and then I'll show you around some kit. Alan's just pottering. We're going to have a pot noodle and then take it from there. So yeah, I'll see you later. Turn this off. Right peeps, I'm going to make a little bit of a marinade. Got my chicken, some spices. First of all, I'm going to stick some honey and chipolata barbecue sauce straight in the bag. Bit of olive oil. Some chicken seasoning. That in. Like that. Some black pepper. Mix it all up. So yeah, we'll get this. I'm going to open some chicken. I've got some chicken legs there, chicken thighs and legs, and I'm going to stick them in this marinade, and then put them over the barbecue, and then into a pan with potatoes, chorizo, onion, and then let them all simmer together, and then fry them off with some butter at the end. So should be good. So yeah. Yeah, I've got some chicken legs. Should be nice these. Get them skin side down, do a bit of scoring on them so the herbs penetrate. Like a bit of penetration. Just put some hand sanitizer on there just to prevent the germs. Massage bin. Beautiful. Alright peeps, so yeah, everything's just got that chicken marinated, fire's burning nicely there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try grill the chicken just so the skin's all nice and gets a nice smoky aroma. Then I'm going to take that off, put the cast iron skillet pan on, potatoes, a few veg, herbs, spices, put the chicken back on top, cover it with foil, 20-30 minutes, let it all steam and fry at the same time, and then take it off, add some butter, finish it all off, crisp everything up, and we'll see how it turns out. So rock and roll. Right, let's throw that chicken on.
tiramisu, is it that body cook?
Yeah. Right, in a cold skillet, cast iron skillet, I diced some spuds at home. I add them to the cold pan. The reason I add them to a cold pan is it stops them burning straight away and starting to overcook before they're actually steamed, as I'll explain later. So yeah, toss them into the pan. Season, a bit of pepper and some salt. And then add a bit more of that chicken spice. Again, any spice will do, I just had that available. Olive oil, a good few jugs of that, jugs, you don't want jugs of it. Then you want to add some rosemary. I use it fresh here, just then a couple of cloves of garlic, leave the skins on. Nice taste when they're roasted. So yeah, add a couple of cloves in there. Leave any bits that's not needed. Absolutely fine. Then some fresh thyme. Get that in there. Looking good. Then juice of like a quarter of a lemon. So I'll get that in, get it squeezed all over. Delicious. Oops, there goes the lemon. Give it a mix. Add the chicken back to the pan. Lovely chicken, that looking good this. So yeah, I've put that on the tin foil. Obviously the heat underneath and all the liquids inside should then just create some steam inside. It's obviously a cold pan, so nothing's going to burn too quick. So should see us in about 25-30 minutes. We'll take it off and see how it's doing. Add some butter and Bob's your uncle and Fanny's your aunt. So yeah, let's rock and roll, guys. The fire's going nicely over there. Tent's there. Look round. Nice sky. All good. Got the van. The little cooking space. Rock and roll, people. Speak to you in a bit. So there we go, chicken, chorizo, roast potatoes, done on a campfire. I'm not sure the audio was any good, but quite good that, mate. Bits of chorizo, tomatoes added end. Not bad that, is it? Anyway, I'm going to scram this. I'm sure you don't want to see me fucking eating this. And I'll speak to you in a bit. So, at the end of the night, Alan's on a dating website. Tell him about it.
Who's Alan?
Anyway, we've had 24 cans each. Is it about how much?
Yeah.
No.
Oh, about 23, I think. You've had 24.
We haven't.
No, we've had a good night.
No, we've had a good night, and everything's mental. Alan's on about dating websites, so he knows the score nowadays.
Yeah,
I won't put this on.
No. How good they are.
Because it's shit. Alan, what are you thinking about tomorrow? Boring.
I don't know what I think.
We're back again, talking shite. I've got my microphone there. Alan will pick it up. But end of the day, we've had a good night. He's 55, I'm 54. We're in a fucking camper van. I've got a tent outside, and we're living life. We've cooked a meal, open fire, and just get out there and
It's been pretty
just
chilly out there, but the fire's been good.
just get out there and live it, innit?
We've had no rain, no.
But
no
it's
wind.
just getting out there and living it, innit?
Magical.
People just sit, like you said before, sitting at home and watching fucking EastEnders and shite. It's crap.
Yeah.
Just get out there and just live this life. Even we're on a campsite, yeah?
And there's only us on it.
And it's
It's
just...
shut for winter, but they've opened it up for us.
And it's... Yeah, we're just on a campsite and we've got a bit of land. But what we're experiencing is old school life, innit? It's like being kids again. Anyway, we're talking shite.
Yeah.
We're talking shite. Anyway, we're right back in the tent. No, but it's... So we're back in the tent. I'm gonna set everything up. I'm a bit drunk actually. So just bear with me. I'm gonna set everything up, get myself all cozy. Anyway, fuck it, yeah. So we've got it all pumped up. Thermarest X-Term, best fucking quality. Costs a lot of money, but wow, it's wham. So put my light up. Right, folks. I'm tucked up in bed. And I can't be asked anyway, so I'm pissed. It's not ideal, but what a good night, yeah. So listen, I'm going to speak to you morning because I can't even speak now. So all's good, all's well, it ends well. Shabba, bullshit. Morning, peoples. So, Alan, wow, look rough as out. I didn't feel much of us our drinking antics last night because we were just talking rubbish, and Alan kept falling asleep. So, anyway, I'm going to take 10 down, and I'll round video up in a bit. So, catch you in a minute. Well, I'm going to bring that to a close, people. Hope you enjoyed. It was a bit different than usual, just mainly about the cooking. Just showing you that, you know, you can you can create masterpieces even if you're in wilderness. So it's a goodbye from Alan.
Bye.
And goodbye from me. Thanks for watching. If you made it to end, brilliant. And if you've not already, give us a like, a subscribe, and a ding ding ding. So yeah, people, thanks a lot for watching. Appreciate it all the time, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.